Sansevierias are part of a plant family that most people have come to know. They've become extremely popular over the years, and most people have at least one of these guys in their home. Now, when it comes to Sansevierias, there are hundreds of different types, and these guys are actually native to tropical Africa. Now, Sansevierias do like to have a good soaking, but you must make sure they dry out completely before you water them again. Sansevierias really aren't picky with what kind of light you give them. They do thrive in bright indirect light, but they can also handle medium to low light conditions as well. Just take note that if it is in a low light spot, it is going to grow quite slowly and you really won't have to give it a lot of water because it's not going to be drying out that much. There are so many beautiful different types of Sansevierias, from the cylindrical versions to the braided versions to the larger cylindricals, the flat leaf versions, and even the ones that are printed on. Come and take a look, they are absolutely beautiful.